Hey, hello everyone. I got a new diorama in the collection, and this one is from Xcartoys. And they just released a lot of these street shop diorama kits. Well, actually it comes almost ready out of the box. That is what I like. Let's see here on the box. We can see Xcartoys is active on social media. Here we got some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. No, nothing here. Okay, so let's open the box. The price is actually pretty good of these dioramas. I think they're €10 a piece plus shipping costs. So €10 plus some shipping costs. So here we have the diorama almost ready out of the box, and you can see it's very well packed. Okay, it also comes with light. And we have to add some accessories, I think. Let's put the camera a little bit higher like this. Yep. I think the accessories are in here. Yep. There we go. Okay. Right. Everything is well packed. Not sure if you can see it, but here we have to put some batteries in. I think they're normal batteries, not button batteries. And we see some light on the top, but first we're going to put the accessories. There's no instruction manual, but yeah, it should be. Oh, I also need a scissor, and I'm also needing a screwdriver. Yep. So I'm going to fix some batteries and some tools to make the diorama complete back in a sec. Okay, so I'm back. Got the tools. Batteries, 2 AA and a couple of AAA batteries, because I'm not sure which one go inside. So like this. Oh, a good scissor. Not. Okay, this should be somewhere on the side. So yeah, got a couple of holes here that matches these ones over here. No. Ah, like this. Don't want to use too much power because I'm afraid I will break something. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, next one. That is a normal bag that you can open with your hands. So I think this is going to be here. There we go. Already start to look like something. Okay, this must be something saying like Diecast store or Xcartoys store. I'm not sure. Maybe someone is better in Chinese or Japanese. I don't know what it is, but I can't read it. Voila. And then the last parts. Hello. Oh, 2 compartments. Okay. There we go, and these come right here. Not sure what this is. Oh, maybe windows with protection or something like that. Okay, now we're going to see what batteries we need. I think we had it all, right? Yeah. I thought there was also an air conditioning, but no, not with this diorama. Okay, now let's open the battery compartment. Okay, 2 AA batteries. That is better than those button batteries. I don't like those button batteries. Really small, but okay, let's put this back in. It's working. Check this out. This is really cool. For this price, I think it's a very good deal. Now, the only thing I have to do is give it a good place in my diecast city. Don't think I don't think I have enough room left for this one, but I will find a spot. Yeah, see you in a sec. So I placed it right here. And I have to say, it's a pretty cool diorama. For the price you pay and what you get, it is not bad at all. I also like that it comes with, I try to switch it off here in the back, I think. There you go. So this is how it looks with the light off. And it looks actually pretty good. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I will leave a link in the description of where I bought it, and there you can also see the other dioramas from Xcartoys that are available. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Don't forget to share this video with your diecast friends. Have a good day, bye.